Hey everybody, so I went to Tractor Supply. I got a quick tool haul to do, picked up some Gearwrench tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. Alright everybody, so quick tool haul. I went to Tractor Supply. I picked up this Gearwrench 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive 84 piece master SA and metric hex and Torx bit socket set. Tractor Supply is selling this right now. Today is Black Friday. It is November 29th, 2019. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. I was just stopped there because it was on the way home from Home Depot, and this set was $89.99. And it was $97.68 out the door, which is a heck of a deal because I looked up this kit on Amazon. On Amazon, they're selling it for $160 something. And then there was another seller on Amazon that was selling it for $109. But I picked it up for $97 out the door. It is part number 80742. If you guys want to go check it out, I'll also put an Amazon affiliate link down below if you guys want to check it out through my Amazon account, or you want to look at it on Amazon. It is a lifetime warranty kit. It comes with 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Turn it around. Comes with 1/8 to 1/4 inch for the 1/4 inch hex bits. 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32 1/4 inch. Metric is 2.5 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4, 5, and 6 millimeter. 1/4 inch Torx bits. Comes with a T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27. 1/4 inch tamper-proof Torx bits. Comes with a T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, and T30. 1/4 inch E-Torx bits. Comes with E4, E5, E6, E7, E8. 1/4 inch Torx long bits. Comes with T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, and T30. No, it's not helping. Let me... Oh, the paper's reflective. I'll just show you guys this on the next video, the unboxing video. That'll just be easier. 3/8 hex bits is 7/32, 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8. Comes with a 6 millimeter, 7 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 9 millimeter, and a 10. 3/8 long ball end hex. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 millimeter. 3/8 Torx bits, a T30, T40, T45, T50, and a T55. 3/8 tamper-proof Torx bits. Comes with a T40, T45, T50, and a T55. 3/8 E-Torx bits. Comes with an E10, E12, E14, and E16. 3/8 Torx long bits. Comes with a T40, T45, and a T50. 1/2 inch hex bits. Comes with a 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, and 3/4. Comes with, for the metric, 10, 12, 14, 17, and 19 millimeter. 1/2 inch Torx bits. Comes with a T60. 1/2 inch tamper-proof Torx bit. Comes with T60. E-Torx bits. Comes with a E18, E20, E22, and E24. On the next video, I'll do the unboxing. I'll show you guys what it comes with. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.